Hi, this is Tracy Gonzales with TierraCast's, and I'm here at Artbeads, and we wanted to show you how to make this cute little bangle bracelet. We're going to make one that's sports themed, which is really fun because you can use images of your children or other favorite sports imagery, along with colors and other things, the sports charms and other things to commemorate whatever it is you're trying to commemorate. These bangle bracelets are also great because you can customize them for sort of anything that you want with different charms and different things that are symbolic to you. So what we need for this project is a 12 gauge bangle bracelet, a frame charm, 2 or however many colors you end up using, SS34 stepped bezel charms, and SS34 Swarovski flatback crystals. We've already mixed up some epoxy and glued those in. That's how you would prepare those, with a 2-part epoxy. What you also need is an image of whatever it is you're going to put into your frame. So I have printed out pictures of my daughter that will fit into this round frame. It needs to be about 12 millimeters in diameter. And to prepare those to go into the frame, I'm going to cover the image front and back with just a piece of office desk tape, you know, standard stuff, and smooth that down really well. And that is to prevent, I'm going to be sealing this with a UV resin, and I put tape on it to sort of prevent the paper from soaking up the resin. Now I'm going to use a half inch paper punch to cut out my image. Now to put that into the frame, I'm going to put a little bit of super glue into the frame, and I'm going to pay attention to get that around the edges especially. I don't want it to be too thick, but I want to get it around the edges, and that will help to seal up the edges of the paper, again, so that the UV resin doesn't soak up in the paper. And then I can set the image in there, kind of push that down. Now I need to let that dry. While I'm doing that, I can open up the bracelet and get ready to put my other charms on. I'm going to put the hashtag. Actually, no, I need to do that in the opposite order. I need to put the 4 on, and then the hashtag, and then the colors that represent her team. And you can do these in whatever order you want. I'm going to use a 5 millimeter round 16 gauge jump ring to attach to the sports charm. Again, string that onto the bangle. Now this should be dry by now. It was super glue, so it should dry pretty quickly. So now I'm going to add the UV resin. And I'll let that settle, and I would watch for bubbles. If bubbles do show up, I can use the tips of tweezers to get rid of them. Then I would put that into the UV lamp and let it cure for 10 to 15 minutes. When it's all cured, you'd hang it on your bracelet along with your other components like this one. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this project and have fun.